Hello children, hope you all are safe and good. Today we are going to continue with Unit 6 Geometry. So first we shall recall what all we studied in our previous class. Okay? Yes. So previous class we studied about plane shapes. Okay. So what are plane shapes? Plane shape can be drawn on a flat surface. What are the flat surface? It can be a paper, it can be a blackboard. Okay, you can draw it anywhere on a plane surface. Okay, and it has only two measurements, that is length and breadth. It will be having only length and breadth. It has sides and corners. It is having sides and corners. So what are the examples of plane shapes? Rectangle, square, triangle, circle. All these are examples of plane shapes. Okay, and first comes rectangle. Rectangle is having how many sides? It is having four sides. It is having four sides, and opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal, and it is having four sides. Okay, next comes square. Square, you all know how to draw a square, right? A square has all the four sides equal. Square has four sides and all the four sides are equal in length. Okay, right? So what is the difference between rectangle and square? Both is having four sides. What is the difference? Rectangle has opposite sides equal, and a square all four sides are equal. Okay, next comes triangle. Triangle, you all know how to draw triangle, right? Yes. So triangle, it has three sides. How many sides? Three sides. Okay, and in all three sides it may be equal or it may not be equal. Okay, so next comes circle. You all know how to draw a circle. Using bangles or cap of a bottle, you will draw a circle, right? And circle, it can be drawn on a plain surface, and it does not have any sides or corner. It does not have any sides or corners. So these are the things we learnt about plane shapes. Today we are going to see about solid shapes. What are they? Solid shapes. Now what is the difference between plane shape and a solid shape? Plane shape can be drawn on a flat surface, whereas solid shape cannot be drawn on a flat surface, and it is having three measurements: length, width and height. Length, width and height, and it has faces, edges and corners. It has faces, edges and corners. So what are the examples for solid shapes? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. All these are examples of solid shapes. You can see the cube. What is the example for cube? You have seen dice, right? When you are playing board games and all, you use dice. So that is the example for cube. Next comes cuboid. You can see a brick is there. One more example is your pencil box. Pencil box is cuboid in shape. All these are cuboid in shape. Next comes cylinder. Drums. So it is in cylindrical shape. One more example is the gas cylinder which we use at home. It is also cylindrical shape. Next comes cone. Birthday cap. It is in conical shape. And ice cream cone. It is also cone shape. Next, sphere. Ball is in sphere shape, spherical shape. So these are solid shape. A solid shape has length, width and height. It also has faces, edges and corners. Now we are going to see about what is a face, what is an edge and what is a corner. Okay. First one is faces. The surface of a solid shape is called as face. So it is a surface. You can see it is colored in red color. All the sides, all the faces are called as all the surface. It can be kept on a surface. That is called as face. Face can be flat or curved. It can be flat or it can be curved. Okay. And a cube and cuboid has flat faces. It is having flat faces. You can see First one is cuboid. It is having a flat face. We can keep it on a flat surface. It is having a plain, a flat surface. Okay. And cylinder has both flat and curved face. So you can see the picture of the cylinder there. It is in green color. That green color is curved face. On the top, white color is flat face. Okay, so cylinder has both flat faces and a curved face. It is having flat faces and curved face. Okay, then comes sphere. Sphere has only curved face. It is having only curved face. Okay, so faces, what are faces? Surface of a solid. Surface is called as faces. The surface is called as faces, and it can be flat or curved. Then comes edges. What are edges? Two faces meet at an edge. Two faces meet at an edge. It is called as edges. It can be straight or it can be curved. Okay, you can see the picture. Okay, for a cube and a cuboid, it is having a straight edge. So that line, the line is called as edges. All the lines are drawn, no? All the faces are meeting at a line. That is called as edges. Okay, and for a cylinder and a cone, it is having curved edges. Curved edges. Cylinder is having a curved edges. A cube and a cuboid has straight edges. A cylinder and a cone has a curved edges. And sphere, it does not have any edges. Sphere does not have any edges. Okay. Next comes corners. What are corners? Two or more edges meet at a corner. Corner. You can see the picture. The kept dot, pink color dot, right? So all these things are called as corners, where edges meet. All the edges are meeting at a point. That is called as corners. Okay. A cube and a cuboid has 8 corners. A cube and a cuboid have 8 corners. A cone has no corners. A sphere and a cylinder, a cone has only one corner, and a sphere and a cylinder do not have any corners. You can see the picture. Cube and cuboid is having how many corners? It is having 8 corners. A cone is having only one corner, whereas sphere and a cylinder do not have any corners. So these are all about solid shapes. We studied about faces, edges and corners. Now we are going to see on tabular column where it shows all the faces, edges and corners of the solid shapes. Okay, first one is cube. Cube is having 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges and 8 corners. And cuboid, it is having 6 flat faces, 12 straight edges and 8 corners. For both cube and cuboid, everything will be same. Faces, edges and corners will be same for cube and a cuboid. Next comes sphere. It has only one curved face. It is having only one curved face and no edges, no corners. Next comes cone. Cone is having one flat faces, one curved face and 0 edge, 0 straight edge, one curved edge and one corner. Okay. After that, cylinder, it is having 2 flat faces, one curved face and 2 curved edges and 0 corners. So this is all about solid shapes, its faces, edges and corners. Yes, children, please take one example of all the shapes and see how many edges, how many faces and how many corner it has. Okay. Yes. Now we'll move on to exercise 6.2. Name the solid shapes and match with the following object. Yes. First one is cylinder, second one is sphere, third one is cone and the fourth one is cube and the fourth one is cone, right? The next one is match the object with the solid shapes. Draw on the dotted line and color. So I have marked the shapes. You please draw the dotted lines and color. Okay. First one is sphere. Second one is cuboid. Third one is cube. And the fourth one is cylinder. Okay. Mark pink point on the corners of each of these figures. So we are going to mark in pink color point all the corners of the shapes. Okay, so I have marked it. Please do it. Yes. And the next one is fill in the blanks. A cube has 6 flat faces and 12 edges with 8 corners. A cone has 0 flat faces and 1 curved face. A cylinder has 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. A sphere has no edges and corners. A cuboid has 6 flat faces but 0 curved face. Yes, a cylinder has 2 curved edges. Okay, so complete in your textbook. Please study, children. Take care. Thank you. Bye.